manufacture safety pool covers, in-floor cleaning systems, waterfalls, and grand effects. We bring in seasonal work every single year, which is wonderful because we're able to find the key people we need and hire them on as permanent employees.
We really value what we get from the agencies, especially Synergy. The people that we bring in here are incredibly valuable. We try to hire from within at all costs. It's very seldom that we bring someone direct to hire at our company.
We are able to find them the best spot that fits their skill levels.
But when we see that maybe they're best suited for a different position, we will try to move them to that position so that they can succeed. Our number one goal is to try to get the employees coming in the door to succeed and like coming to work.
It's actually a really great company to work for. I like how it's welcoming to everybody. Everybody gets along with everybody here.
I've worked at other warehouses in the past, and this is very different from where I worked before. It's much easier to do. Everybody is friendly and helpful.
Aquí en el Cover Pools tenemos mucha gente de servicio trabajando aquí por nosotros.
We have an on-site full cafeteria that includes a salad bar, a grill, and weekly specials that are posted in our break room. We also have an on-site gym that everyone has the opportunity to sign up for, which is great in the winter when you don't have to drive far.
Over the last 5 years, our return employees that come back season after season has climbed every year. They come back because they like the things that we do. The summer party, the monthly barbecues, and besides that, just the culture around the shop. If you try, you will succeed.
Cover Pools has given me the opportunity to grow within the company. Growth opportunities are coming up all the time, and it's just something that I think is a good thing, knowing that you're not stuck where you're going to be forever.
The ultimate goal of Cover Pools is to provide a superior product while enriching the lives of our employees.